Hello children, welcome to our numeracy lesson today. This lesson was produced by Rwanda Education Board with support from UNICEF. My name is Teacher John. This is still a lesson from Unit 6, Primary 4 Mathematics. Dear adults, we still appreciate your support during these radio learning lessons. Dear children, make sure you have your notebook and a pen. You have few seconds to pick them for those who don't have them yet. Welcome back, children. Now, let us review what we learned in the previous lesson. Dear children, what did we learn in our previous numeracy lesson? Very good. In our previous numeracy lesson, we learned about adding units of length. In our previous numeracy lesson, we learned about adding length. We learned that the process of addition of length is exactly similar to the addition of ordinary numbers. The process of addition of length is exactly similar to the addition of ordinary numbers. But if the units to be added are different, we first convert them into the same units of length before we add. Friends, let us check the answers for the homework from our previous numeracy lesson. To add 100 centimeters plus 9 meters and give the answer in centimeters, first you converted 9 meters to centimeters, and that is 900 centimeters. And therefore, 100 centimeters plus 9 meters equals 100 centimeters plus 900 centimeters, which gave us 1000 centimeters. And for our second question, you were to add 3000 meters plus 4 hectometers. And you were to give the answer in hectometers. First, you converted 3000 meters to hectometers, where you got 3000 meters equals 30 hectometers. And that gives our question 3000 meters plus 4 hectometers as 30 hectometers plus 4 hectometers. And therefore, 30 hectometers plus 4 hectometers equals 34 hectometers. Well done for all those friends who did their homework. Good children do homework. And in today's lesson, friends, we will learn about subtraction of length. But first, let us have a break. We'll be back shortly.
Come along and play with us.
Welcome back, dear children. Like I said before the break, in today's lesson, we will learn about subtracting length. Dear children, the process of subtracting length is exactly similar to the subtraction of ordinary numbers. Let us have some examples. Example 1. Subtract 18 kilometers minus 3 kilometers. Subtract 18 kilometers minus 3 kilometers. Since the units are the same, we subtract normally just like ordinary numbers. Just like ordinary numbers, 18 minus 3 equals 15. 18 minus 3 equals 15. And now, 18 kilometers minus 3 kilometers, we get 15 kilometers. 18 kilometers minus 3 kilometers, we get 15 kilometers. Well done, friends. Example 2. Subtract 5 meters minus 3 meters. Subtract 5 meters minus 3 meters. Can you try it out on your own, friends? You have a few seconds to do so. Well done, friends. Since the units are the same, we subtract just like ordinary numbers. If it were ordinary numbers, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Similarly, subtracting 5 meters minus 3 meters, we get 2 meters. Similarly, subtracting 5 meters minus 3 meters, we get 2 meters. This is because, friends, since both lengths to be subtracted have the same unit, we subtract normally. Well done, friends. Let us have a break. We will have more examples with different units when we come back.
Come along and play with us.
Welcome back, dear children. Let us have more examples. This time round, our examples have different units. If the units to be subtracted are different, we first convert them into the same units of length before we subtract. If the units to be subtracted are different, we first convert them into the same units of length before we subtract. Let us have some examples. Subtract 5,000 meters minus 4 kilometers. Subtract 5,000 meters minus 4 kilometers. Give the answer in meters. Dear friends, as you can see, the units are different. Therefore, we first convert the units to the same unit. That means we first convert 4 kilometers to meters. 4 kilometers equals 4 times 1,000, and this equals 4,000 meters. 4 kilometers equals 4,000 meters. Therefore, our question 5,000 meters minus 4 kilometers is the same as 5,000 meters minus 4,000 meters. And this gives us 1,000 meters. 5,000 meters minus 4 kilometers is the same as 5,000 meters minus 4,000 meters, which gives us 1,000 meters. Well done, friends. Let us have one more example. Subtract 4 meters minus 100 centimeters. Give the answer in centimeters. Subtract 4 meters minus 100 centimeters. Give the answer in centimeters. Similarly, we first convert 4 meters to centimeters. And since 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, 4 meters equals 400 centimeters. Therefore, our question, 4 meters minus 100 centimeters, becomes 400 centimeters minus 100 centimeters. Friends, what is 400 centimeters minus 100 centimeters? Very good. Since the units are the same, we subtract normally. 400 centimeters minus 100 centimeters becomes 300 centimeters. Now let us have a short break. When we come back, be ready to try out some questions on your own.
Come along and play with us.
Welcome back, dear children. Can you subtract the following? A. 5 meters minus 40 decimeters. Give the answer in decimeters. 5 meters minus 40 decimeters. Give the answer in decimeters. And B. 300 centimeters minus 1 meter. Give the answer in meters. 300 centimeters minus 1 meter. Give the answer in meters. You have few seconds to do so. Well done, friends. I hope you have finished. Let us check our answers. For question A, 5 meters minus 40 decimeters, we first convert 5 meters to decimeters, and that gives us 50 decimeters. Therefore, 5 meters minus 40 decimeters is the same as 50 decimeters minus 40 decimeters. And this leads us to 10 decimeters. Therefore, 5 meters minus 40 decimeters equals 10 decimeters. And for question B, 300 centimeters minus 1 meter, and we are to give the answer in meters, we first convert the 300 centimeters to meters. Converting 300 centimeters to meters, we divide by 100, and that gives us 3 meters. To convert 300 centimeters to meters, we divide by 100, and that gives us 3 meters. Therefore, 300 centimeters minus 1 meter is the same as 3 meters minus 1 meter, which is equal to 2 meters. 300 centimeters minus 1 meter equals 2 meters. Well done, friends. Flowers for all those who tried out. Before we end our lesson, friends, let us review what we have learned today. In today's lesson, we have learned about subtracting units of length. In today's lesson, friends, we have learned about subtracting units of length. We learned that the process of subtraction of length is exactly similar to the subtraction of ordinary numbers. The process of subtraction of length is exactly similar to the subtraction of ordinary numbers. If the length involved in subtraction have the same unit, we subtract normally. If the length involved in subtraction have the same unit, we subtract normally, just like ordinary numbers. But if the units involved in subtraction are different, we first convert them into the same units of length before we subtract. For your homework, friends, subtract the following. A, 1 hectometer minus 90 meters. Give the answer in meters. 1 hectometer minus 90 meters. Give the answer in meters. B, 3,000 meters minus 1 kilometer. Give the answer in kilometers. I repeat, B, 3,000 meters minus 1 kilometer. Give the answer in kilometers. That is it for today. Thank you for participating. Remember to join us for our next numeracy lesson. Bye-bye!
Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time.